my bunch of motherfucking bitches. Oh fuck. Ah. Look at your lickings. That really wasn't a good idea, guys, was it? Ah. Fuck. Yo, my homies. Oh, fuck me. What did you kiss me? Well, what do you guys think? I think get fucked in the bumhole. Stephen Martin's fucked up mother who robs her cunt every night in the fucking school playground. Stephen Martin's such a prick, the father's rim to suck the dick, fucking pricks of bucky went to suck his mother's cunt. Their man was back you motherfucker. What did you kissing? Stephen Martin is a prick, went to suck his father's dick. Woo! I can get it out. Oh well. Yo! Yo. What's some helpful tips, guys? Never put sawdust down the toilet because it'll fucking flash and I'll fucking my mum crack. I'll get enough out as I can and it flashes, motherfucker. Shit. I fucking blame Stephen Martin's fucked up mother, the fucking bitch. Yo, Mrs. Martin, you owe me 20 quid for me to let you suck on my dick, you fucking hoe. You fucking heard, Mutton, Farley, bunch of fat overweight fuckers so you can't fuck girls because you're too fucking fat. Can't find your own dicks, you bunch of faggots. Yeah. Yo, yo, yo. Stephen Martin's mum is fat, fucked up with a pound of crap. Don't give a fuck, my own crap. Fuck the bitch, it's just enough of a crap, nigga. Fuck. So I did some N-word, I do apologise. But also, I totally fucked that up completely. Okay guys, here we go. I fucked up my toilet, quite literally, as you can tell. I'm a fucking idiot. Shit. Why the fuck is this fucking idea for? Fucking hell, but we can't do licks. So guys, if you're planning on putting fucking sawdust on the fucking toilet, fucking don't bother because it's really fucking a pain in the fucking ass. It doesn't flush and you do this for 5 fucking hours if you're fucking lucky. And your parents might come and kill you, you bit of twat! Yo, so happy with everything up recently guys, happy busy. Wanking off Stephen Martin's fat mum because she's a fat overweight cunt with no pussy. So it's got a pussy, but you know it's crusty, you know. Fat bitch, heavy crusty pussy. So yeah. to my 11 subscribers and my fans, I will be back with my video soon. Hopefully we'll wrap later on. I can get my phone to fucking charge up. Head down the dirty toilet at last, the dirty bastards. Ooh. But, yo, look at all that shit, people. See? That's what I put down a fucking toilet. Must be a good idea, was it, eh? What a load of fucking cock-faced cockfuckers. Fucking hell. I am such a cunt. Bye guys.